Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with fabric knowledge and immediate action. Set the iron to the fabric's listed temperature. Once at heat, lightly mist the creased area until barely damp. Place a clean cotton pressing cloth over the line so you do not scorch or shine the pants. You press briefly, no sliding, holding the iron down for 3-5 seconds, then lift instead of moving. This relaxes fibers where the iron line formed and prevents creating a sharper crease. Once the pressing cloth has dampened the fibers, use a steam burst to further relax the fabric. If available, use the iron's vertical steam or a clothes steamer. While steaming, you hold the pant leg taut at the seam. Apply even tension along the grain to let fibers realign. Then press again with the cloth in place for short intervals. Repeat this steam plus press cycle 2 to 3 times and alternate with a dry press to set the fabric's new shape and remove the line. You finish by letting the treated area cool flat on a hanger or padded board. Cooling locks fibers in place. If the line persists, lightly spritz a 1-to-1 solution of white vinegar and water. Test on an inconspicuous area, then repeat the steam and press routine. If a shiny mark appears, dust a little cornstarch, cover with the cloth and press on low heat. This helps absorb shine. If all else fails, consult a professional cleaner to avoid permanent fabric damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.